It was through a classmate, actually a fellow scholar, and he had told me to apply to this program that he had seen in his classroom.
They said that they were looking for women and underrepresented students to apply for the STEM Advantage program.
The day I received the call or the email, it was just so unbelievable.
A group of people who actually want to see you make it and help you. It was like I never had that before.
One of the things that STEM has done in the onset was partner with Cal State Dominguez. And what we've learned is that there's a lot of talented individuals that have the intelligence, they have the aptitude, but they don't have the means.
After my second year, I didn't get financial aid, so I was paying for school out of pocket.
I had been working and I just wasn't happy. I knew I wanted more for myself.
You're not always going to find the STEM students in the top, most prestigious schools, and I think typically that's where recruiters go to look for the top talent.
The differentiating STEM Advantage is it does that. It looks at areas outside of the big schools where the students are there, the talent's there, but they don't have the opportunity.
With the scholarship, it provided for the first time in my life that peace of mind, that you don't have to go to work, you can take the day off. You can go and be more involved in school. You can actually be a college student.
Growing up in my culture, it was always okay to say you don't like math or science.
Isn't that for smarter people?
I would put it in my head that I'm not a math person.
Kids interested in STEM has waned over the years. So getting people excited in STEM, making it fun, making it exciting, and let them see that there's a career opportunity in that goes a long way.
When I took my first introductory classes, I was hooked because it really was something that I was interested in.
You're absorbing every single thing because you know how important it is.
There's also mentoring opportunities and there's internships.
The fact that my mentor is a woman, I think it empowers me to hold my ground in what I'm pursuing.
I had never met anyone that looked like me or that was a woman for that matter, of any race, that had accomplished so much.
Surrounding these students with kind of that environment and that support, I think really opens their eyes as to what is possible.
Being part of STEM Advantage, as far as what it's done in me, the confidence it's built inside me has been amazing. I can see it, and I think that's the best part.
As a business person, there's also value back to Toyota. And the value back to Toyota is, quite honestly, we're seeding the next crop of talent that can come through the ranks.
The opportunity to get real life experience really starts to shape what a person wants to do.
These individuals were remarkable. And if we could have the headcount, we could do it tomorrow, they would most likely get offers if the opportunity presented itself.
In the future, because of what I've learned, I see myself having the confidence to know that I have those leadership skills and knowing that it'll get me further in my career.
I decided to go to law school to be a patent attorney because I really have a passion for innovation and technology.
Just recently, I actually decided to do more research on graduate school, something that, again, I never thought I would be able to do.
When people, produce their intellectual property, I'll be there to help them get their patents and kind of be a leader in that.
And it's not about if I'll do it, it's when I'll do it.
With STEM Advantage, we started relatively small. We started with a local university that had a very established computer science department. And it has been extremely successful. With funding and additional mentorship and sponsorship, we want to grow that.
It could really change the way that companies look at internships. It could really change the way companies really apply their internship programs.
Altogether, it's a great story.
Now it's like I know what I'm capable of, and I'm going to make people know what I'm capable of.
I feel like I can do anything.
It opens everything up for me. It just tells me the sky is the limit and you can do what you want.